Hi everyone, William at ZOLLER UK here. We're pleased to announce that we are now offering our Windows 11 upgrade packages for all existing machines. Here are just a few reasons as to the importance of keeping your operating system up to date. Security and compliance. Windows 11 has stronger built-in security features. This is critical for those machines operating on networks or handling sensitive CAD/CAM information. Operating on older versions of Windows could lead to an increased risk of cyber threats. Improved performance. Windows 11 has faster processing, better memory management, and offers more stability for your ZOLLER machines. Future-proofing. Staying on Windows 10 may cause compatibility issues with new software updates and also may restrict access to your networks. And finally, software compatibility. New software updates may not be compatible with Windows 10, which could severely impact your production. So as a reminder, we are now offering our Windows 11 machine upgrade packages for all existing ZOLLER machines. If you'd like more information on how to upgrade your machine to Windows 11, please get in touch with us here at ZOLLER UK.